Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss MCQs, true, false, fill in the blank, and some short answer type questions of chapter 5 in part 2. Okay, let's start the discussion of all these questions one by one. Okay, so the first question is which of the following fuels is used for running automobiles? You can see the options: CNG, petrol, both A and B, and wood. Okay, got it? This question answer is because we are using CNG also these days as a fuel and petrol also. So the option C will be the correct answer. Question number 2. Magnesium burns to form calcium carbonate, magnesium oxide, and the third is calcium oxide and magnesium sulfate. Definitely whenever magnesium will burn, it will form magnesium oxide. So option B is correct answer. Question number 3. Coal burns to produce options are calcium bicarbonate, magnesium, carbon dioxide, and option D is oxygen. So the option C will be the right answer. After the burning of the coal, carbon dioxide gas will be produced. So option C is correct answer. Question number 4. Name the chemical process. Name the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give out heat. Okay, it is options are A reaction, B junction, C combustion, D all of these. Very easy to answer. It is combustion. Option C is right answer. Question number 5. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be burning, flame, charcoal. It will be combustible. Definitely answer is option D, combustible substance. Next is combustible substances are also known as inflammable, option A, flaming option B, illuminous option C, non-flammable option D. Option A will be our right answer. We have also studied same in the theory portion also. Next question is which of the following is a combustible? Stone piece, wood, glass, none of these. Options B will be right answer. It is combustible, will be wood. Okay. Question next. In the sun, light and heat are produced by chemical reaction, nuclear reaction, burning reaction, Bunsen burner. Option B will be right answer. This is produced by nuclear reaction. Lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is known as its ignition temperature. Okay, option C will be right answer. Lowest temperature, option A. Option B, burning temperature, ignition temperature, flaming temperature. No, it is ignition temperature. Got it? Option C is right answer. Question number next is question number 10. Long ago, which of the following tree was used to produce matchstick? Okay, uh, options are mango, devdar, banyan. Option D, pine. It's the option D, right answer. The pine tree was used in the earlier stages for making matchsticks. Okay. Question number 11. Which chemical is used in burning surface provided for matchsticks? Okay, let's see. Question options are sulfur, gold, red phosphorus, white phosphorus. Option C will be right answer. It's red phosphorus, which is used in rubbing surface provided for matchsticks. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is an example of inflammable substance? Inflammable substance: iron, glass, LPG and stone. Option C, LPG will be the right answer. Okay. Next is question number 14. Which of the following is required essentially for producing fire? Essential are, we all know that. Options, let's see the options: glass, coal, water. Option B, fuel, coal, straw. Option C, fire, wood, burner. Option D, fuel, air and heat. Okay. Combustible substance, presence of air as well as ignition temperature. Option D will be right answer. Got it? Next question. The most common element used as fire extinguisher is, it is CO2, carbon dioxide. Got it? It is CO2 because oxygen increases the fire. Again, phosphorus, option D and B are the same, so both will be neglected over here. Option A is the right answer. It is CO2. Baking soda constitutes, option A, hydrogen chloride. Option B, sodium chloride. Option C, sodium bicarbonate. Option D, oxygen. Okay. Baking soda, question number 16. It is sodium bicarbonate. So option D will be the right answer. Okay. Question number 17. We have discussed this earlier also. I told you the full form of this, either CNG or LPG, can be asked from you. So LPG means, options are liquefied petroleum gas. Option A, liquefied petrol gas. Option B, liquid petrol go down. Option C, option D, liquid petroleum gas. Okay, no, its answer is option A, liquefied petroleum gas. Got it? LPG. Next is question number 18. Phosphorus burns at option A, room temperature. Option B, 100 degrees Celsius. Option C, cool temperature. Option D, any temperature. No, its answer, correct answer will be at room temperature. Got it? Fireworks is an example of, we all know this. It is, options are rapid combustion, explosion, spontaneous combustion, slow combustion. Option B will be the right answer, explosion. Okay. Calorific value of hydrogen is, let's see the options. Option A, 50,000 kilojoule kilogram. Option B, 55,000 kilojoule per kilogram. 1,50,000 kilojoule per kilogram. 6,000 kilojoule per kilogram. No. Option C will be right answer. It is 1,50,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Got it? Okay, dear students. Now the answer key of these questions is here. We have, you can tally also whatever we discussed. Fill in the blanks. The substance which vaporizes during burning gives flame. Flame, you need to fill in this blank. Okay, flame. Option B, a good fuel should have high or low calorific value. It should have high calorific value. Okay. An example of slow combustion is respiration. Got it? Example of slow combustion is respiration. Are substances that release energy on combustion. Fuels are substances that release energy on combustion. Okay. Fifth, fill in the blank is, the most common supporter of combustion is, it is oxygen or air. Okay. Sixth one is, magnesium burns to change into magnesium oxide. We have studied, same question in MCQs also. Now next, wood is an example of solid fuel. Okay, wood is not a liquid or not a gas, so it will be an example of solid fuel. Okay. Is an example of liquid fuel. Kerosene is an example of liquid fuel. Got it? Carbon dioxide is heavier or lighter than oxygen? It is heavier than oxygen. Got it? Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen causes acid rain. We have discussed same in the theory also. The increase in the amount of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere results in global warming. Got it? Next is inflammable substances have very low ignition temperature. Got it? Next is the zone of a flame is the hottest. It is non-luminous zone of the flame will be the hottest zone, or the outermost zone of a flame is the hottest zone. Next is during combustion generally heat and light energies are produced. Got it? You can write them in the reverse order also, light and heat or heat and light. Okay. Next, LPG has a calorific value of 55,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Got it? 55,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. You can see the answers also of all these questions. Now match the following. Okay. CNG, you can see option B, compressed natural gas. Sun, you can see with A, nuclear reaction will take place in sun. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. C will be the right combination or match. Okay, non-luminous zone is the hottest zone. Non-luminous zone is the hottest zone. Okay. Next is, we missed the fourth one. Fireworks is an example of explosion. Next is in innermost zone is, it will be the least hottest hot zone. And the combustion exothermic chemical reaction, it is phosphorus. You can see the match with combustible at 25 degrees Celsius. Ninth is acid rain. You can see the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur and hydrogen is the highest calorific value. Okay, hydrogen is having highest calorific value. You can see the matching also. Now true or false we will discuss. Automobiles run only by using petrol. It is false. You can use CNG, you can use PNG, you can use diesel also. CNG means connecting natural gas. No, it is compressed natural gas. It is false. Okay. Third is coal burns with flame. No, it is again also false. Magnesium burns to produce magnesium oxide. True. Combustion is a physical process. It is false. Next is sixth one is the substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. True. Fuel may be solid, liquid or gas. True. Wood is combustible. True. A matchstick contains white phosphorus. False. It contains red phosphorus. Kerosene is an example of solid fuel. False. It is a liquid fuel. Okay. For combustion, a substance must attain its ignition temperature. It is true. Okay. Next is the ignition temperature of phosphorus is 25 degrees Celsius. Very true. Next is LPG is an example of inflammable substance. It is true. Okay. So water is a bad conductor of electricity. It is false. Okay. It is false. Fuel, water and heat are three essential requirements of combustion. No, it is false. The most common fire extinguisher is water. It is true. Oxygen is heavier than CO2. It's false. In fact, CO2 is heavier than oxygen. The middle zone of a flame has yellow color. It is true. The calorific value of hydrogen is 1,50,000 kilojoule. It is true. Increase in nitrogen gas in atmosphere leads to global warming. It is false. Okay. You can see the answers also of all these questions. Now, questions. Some questions. Short answer time. Why isn't hydrogen gas used as a domestic or industrial fuel, although it has very high calorific value? State three reasons for the answers. Although hydrogen has very high calorific value, it is not used as a domestic fuel or industrial fuel for the following reason: because it is very expensive, it burns with an explosion, okay, it is extremely inflammable, so it is risky to store and transport hydrogen also. That's why it is not used as a fuel or domestic fuel or industrial fuel. Next, explain how water gets boiled in paper cup without burning it. When we heat the paper cup containing water, the heat given to it is rapidly transferred to water from the paper cup. The temperature of water goes on increasing until it attains its boiling point and starts boiling. As during this process the heat is continuously being transferred to water, the paper cup does not attain its ignition temperature, hence it does not burn. Okay. Next question. Why does a piece of paper burn with yellow flame? Give a reason. The inadequate or the limited supply of oxygen during the combustion of a piece of paper produces solid carbon particles that rises up in the flame. They become hot and glow to give off a yellowish light. This makes the piece of paper burns with a yellowish flame. Okay. Now, it is observed that petrol pumps and airports that hydrogen fire extinguishers are used instead of soda acid fire extinguishers. Soda acid fire extinguishers. Give reason why. At petrol pumps and airports, there is more probability of fire break oil out due to oil. In such situation, soda acid fire extinguishers does not work as it contains water, or use water to take off the fire, cooling down the place. Water being heavier than the oil sinks the bottom, and hence fire does not get controlled in that condition. In such a case, the hydrogen fire extinguishers are very useful as they contain turkey red oil, which causes the forming of the carbon dioxide gas. Under pressure, the foam covers the surface of burning substances and dispels the supply of air to control the fire. Last question. Define or explain complete combustion. This type of combustion involves complete burning of combustible substance. No residue will be left behind. Ash or smoke is not given off during or after this type of combustion. Mostly gases such as hydrocarbons go through this form of combustion. On combustion, hydrocarbon produces carbon dioxide, water and heat. Okay. Okay, dear students, thank you so much. In this particular video we discussed about MCQs. We discussed about fill in the blanks. We discussed about true false questions and 4-5 short answer type questions or logical questions. Okay, dear students, thank you so much.